Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to tag someone or mention someone in Snapchat. So let's open Snapchat. Okay, we are in Snapchat camera screen. Let's take a picture. You can browse a picture from your gallery also. So once you take a picture, on the right side you can see these edit buttons. Tap on the square sticker button and you can see this different stickers. You can see here mention. Tap there. You can write someone's username. So once you are done, you can drag it on the screen wherever you want. You can tab about the text to change the text color. Once you are done, you can click send to post it to your story or send it to someone. If you want to remove this, you can just drag it and drop it above the task box to remove it. So that's all guys. Likewise, you can mention someone or tag someone in Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.